Long lines continue to snake around Kauffman Stadium, and that's for appointment testing, fully booked through the end of this week at this event. But why wait hours in line if you must wait days for test results? I'm Christelle Bell.
I'm John Holt. Public health officials stress the results are still important, and so is what you do while waiting on those results. Fox 4's Jacob Kittelstad joins us live from the Walgreens in Midtown tonight. Jake?
Well, yes, pharmacies remain extremely competitive when trying to find an appointment for testing. It's straight up hard. But here's what public health officials want to remind people of is that if you're waiting on that appointment and it might be days out, you should be quarantining, not waiting for that appointment and then the results to confirm to you whether or not you should be out in the mix. It's Tuesday and you want a COVID test, but the soonest appointment you can find is on a Saturday. Here's what you should do.
So I would start with definitely take that appointment and keep looking. Always a good place to start.
Spring Schmidt is president of the Missouri Center for Public Health Excellence, connecting health departments across the state. She says the next step is to ask yourself, am I vaccinated or unvaccinated?
If I have a small tickle in my throat and I'm vaccinated, maybe that is less of a concern. It's a small tickle in your throat. But let's say then my symptoms start to get worse and I'm definitely coughing or I start to run a fever. So those are definite signs that if you are around other people, you are likely to be transmitting a virus no matter what it is. As those symptoms get worse, your actions need to change.
You should think about the people you've been around and possibly exposed. You can even notify those people of the situation without a positive test. That's the personal responsibility aspect of having an illness without enough testing to meet demand. Here's another wonky part. The CDC recommends if you have COVID symptoms, isolation can end after 5 full days if you are fever-free for 24 hours with symptoms improving. In some cases, you might not be able to get a COVID test before that 5 days is up. And as backed up as things are around KC, it's worse outside the metro.
The testing environment in every urban area in Missouri is so much better than it is in every rural area in Missouri. And we're just going to continue to exacerbate those disparities.
Well, the current reality, according to public health officials, is that a lot of people are not following these guidelines and that the spread will continue like this, especially with symptomatic people not isolating and just living their life as normal because they can't get confirmation from a simple test. Jacob Kittelstad, Fox 4, working for you.